Hey everyone, so I'm going to give you on a unboxing I received of some Hot Wheels. They were packaged in a Bath and Body Works package, which is kind of interesting. Let me see here though. Let me get this open. There's a bunch of cars in it. A lot of Hot Wheels and Matchbox. I think actually it might be like a Racing Champion car in here. See here. Okay, let's get these out of here. So this is the Custom Mercury Racing Champions. McDonald's dinosaur kind of thing. Let me get that open. The Custom 77. Well, actually, no, this is Dodge van. Just regular Dodge van. This is the Lancia Stratus, but the difference is this has, there's a difference with this variation. It has green and white on it, when I don't believe I have that variation. I believe this variation is one I do not own. And if I do, well, I have two of them. So yeah, there's a big difference between, let me get this open and show you guys. There's a big difference between this one and the one that I have, because there's like white stripes on it. So let me put that there, and let me actually get this, even though this is expired, let me get this open. Yeah, this is kind of useless. Let me just get the rest of the ones that I showed you guys open too. Let me just open them on camera. So this is the Dodge van. It's pretty cool. Then we have this Mercury, like I said, and let me get this open. The packaging. This is pretty cool, actually. This is a Mercury, and then this dinosaur puppet. Get this open here. This is pretty cool. It's kind of weird, but it's like a dinosaur. It's pretty cool. Let me get this. This is a Circle Tracker from 2011. Corvette Grand Sport from 2017. Get that open. Pontiac GTO 65. Dodge Coronet Super B in orange. Fire Eater in white. Dodge Coronet Super B in blue. This is the blue version. So I got both the blue and the yellow versions in one swoop. Let me just see what case code. The blue one is K case, and the orange one would be a P case release. So that one, the orange one was released later. The Custom 42 Jeep CJ2A. Nice car. The Mad Fast. (2011). We have the Ford Bronco Custom. I did need this one for a while. Let me get the rest of these out of here. Just get the remaining few that are in here out of here. Okay, this is the Mustang Boss 351. The Custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. Scrap that and get that open. This is from 2016. Stingrad 2. Then we have a few more. We have the Serpent School Bus. Most of these are from 2011, actually. These are mostly from the year 11. I remember that year was a good year. 70 Chevelle SS. Let's get that one open. And then we have the Fright Bike. And this is the last of the repaints I needed from the 2011 line. I had not gotten this one. And that's going to be my review today and the unboxing for these cars here. Thank you.